Greetings and salutations, everyone. This is Byron Smith here again with another on-screen takeoff tutorial highlighting the new feature that's available in On-Screen Takeoff 4, Takeoff Boost. Now, if you watched a couple of my videos before, you can see that I have demonstrated using Takeoff Boost here, but today I want to show you some alternate ways that you can use it for other trades that may not be highlighted here on the Takeoff Boost screen. So today I want to make this video for the roofing contractor out there, and showing you how you can use the Takeoff Boost feature to take off your roof material as well. So we're going to jump right into it. So first off, I have a typical roofing plan, and what I want to do here immediately is jump into Takeoff Boost. We're going to do an area takeoff, highlighting the ceilings. There's no tag there, so we're just going to run Takeoff Boost. Very quick. Okay, so that took about 60 seconds to run through, but now we have area takeoff. As you look through it, there are some areas that can maybe be adjusted, but for the most part, we have what we need here on the screen. Right now, we'll just need to adjust a few things. Now, I've already looked at the roof types and noticed that there are 3 roof types here. Roof type 1, which is the majority of the roof, but then there's this other section, an outdoor learning classroom, where there's 2 other roof types. One is a roof pavers, one is a walkway with roof pavers, and the other one is a vegetated roof. So let's see what conditions we have now that we may have to modify in order to make it make sense for the roofing. So we'll go into this condition. So we're going to change this to roof type 1. Just as is indicated here. We'll leave the color the same, and we do want to create a new condition type for roofing. We'll do the same for the layers. And this is basically for organization purposes. Now there's another item that is created for gypsum wallboard, which is here. And we actually don't need this. This is just that solar lab at a larger scale. But we're going to do our takeoff on this 1/16 scale. All right, so now we're going to duplicate our condition twice to create the roof type 2.1 and 2.2 as is indicated. So to do that, very quick. All right, so there are our roof types. Now we're going to zoom in to this area that shows roof type 2.1 and 2.2, and we will change this whole thing to 2.1. So let's reassign this roof type 1 to roof type 2.2. Then we're going to do a back out for roof type 2.1 and fill that in with that condition. It's just very simple. So we've got that highlighted now, and I want to assign it to roof type 2.1. So if I right click, go to reassign objects, that happens just like that. And now I'm going to use another feature in the top right corner called back out mode. And I can come in here and start to back out the areas. There we go. Now we've got roof type 1.1, and that's that. So we're not completely done with this roofing takeoff. As you can see, there's other roof symbols, drains, and other things that can be counted. But for the most part, I just wanted to show how you can use Takeoff Boost for other things besides walls and ceilings and some things that you see highlighted there. That's all for now. I'll see you guys next time.